Now we see the functional dependency. What is the functional dependency? Functional dependency means that one column is dependent on another column. That is called a functional dependency in just like a normal word. So main concept associated with normalization is called functional dependency. Describe the relationship between the attributes and the relations. If A and B are the attributes, attributes means, yes, Bazim, attributes means
column.
column, yes. So if A and B are the columns of a table R, relation means table R, B is functional dependent on A. Okay, so how we denote it? A, this B, if each value of A in R is associated with exactly one value of B in the R. So let's see some example over there. This is the diagrammatic representation, that how the diagrammatically. So which is dependent? A is dependent or B is dependent?
B depends
B.
on A.
B is dependent. B is dependent on A. So the arrow shows, this arrow shows means this is A is powerful and B is dependent on A, right? So column B, so column B in one table or a same table is dependent on column A, right? So determinant of a functional dependency refers to attribute or the group of attributes on the left hand side of the arrow. So who will determine B? The left hand side will determine the B. Now look at this example. So we have a staff number and position. So which is dependent? Position is dependent or staff is dependent?
Position.
Functional dependent.
Position. Depends
Position,
on-
yeah. Position is dependent on the staff number. So you have to provide the staff number, and the database will look that according to the data staff number, the position will be assigned. So if the staff number is, for example, 009, so it will be manager. If 008, maybe subordinate. 009, it's a clerk. So depending on that one, okay. So staff number is like is a determinant. Staff is what? He is a determinant. He determines. Okay. So staff number SL21 is a manager over there. But if you look opposite, half X, is it true? No, because the position cannot determine the staff number over there. So staff number is not functionally dependent on the position over there. Why? Because a manager can be staff number SL21 and also SG5. So it cannot determine. So there is like a many options for that one. But for the staff number, there is only one option. So this is determinant and this is the dependent on that one.
Doctor,
Clear?
for part B, I don't understand. Please, can you repeat?
Part B, which this one, yeah. So means that, for example, position. So for example, there can be manager position. So manager cannot determine the staff number. Why? Because for the manager, it can be staff number SL1, 21 is also manager, and this is manager, also manager, and this is also manager, right? Both are manager.
Yes.
So it means that the manager cannot tell me. Determine means it cannot tell me. It cannot predict the nabbo. Okay, it cannot nabbo, or what you call it? Determine.
تحديد.
Find
تحديد.
out. Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. So the manager cannot find out the staff number, but the staff number can find the manager. See, there is a single arrow, right?